All right, this is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services, and we're going to review the Dollar Tree demolition takeoff really quickly for you. And this is the whole thing. So basically, let's take everything off and start from scratch. So you can see each of the individual items in the takeoff. Now I'll give some hints as to the heights of some of the walls or whatever. All right, so the first thing we have is to remove the partition, okay, which is all of this portion and here. Also, too, you want to keep in mind, but I just gave you the linear feet in any event. They also want you to remove, let's get that up there. They want you to remove the wall base, and I'll light that up. And as you can see, the wall base is also on the wall that you're going to demo. So you may want to deduct this portion of the wall base for all of this because all of these partitions you're going to demo them anyway. So the wall base is going with the wall. And so let me know if we can take that portion off, and adjust it or leave it on there. It really depends on how you want to do that. But for negotiation reasons, I would say go ahead and take it off because you're going to remove that wall anyway. Okay, so another thing that's kind of bothersome is they say remove the lighting. Okay, so when there is no lighting to count or whatever, I'll give you the square feet of the lighting. And, if you've done it for enough of a period of time, you may be able to give them a price per square foot, depending on the type of light, if you have any information about the type of light, or just wait until you do the walkthrough and then count how many fixtures, or if anybody, maybe you can go by, well, that's kind of tough to go by the new work if it's the exact same kind of building. It's a lot of problems, okay, when they tell you to demo the electrical in the ceiling without being able to count, you know. And so you have to give them a number. I would give them a square foot per square foot at $1.75. Do they want you to, remove the conduit as well as the fixture and all of that? Do you retain the all of the wiring and all of the lighting? Then you can reduce the value of that portion of the demo by some portion, because hopefully you'll be able to recycle that and get some money for that stuff or sell it or whatever. So those are all the questions you'll ask when it comes to that. Okay. So I'm going to take that off. Now we have some things that were excluded for the purpose of this estimate's for general contracting. So it's not really for MEPs. Other than for the plumbing, my client indicates they'll take the fixture out and cap it. Okay. But when we talk about removing panels and new work that they want done, all of that from an estimating perspective and a demo perspective should be deleted from the demo and added on another. Because if they want you to, the capping, the plumbing fixture, you can put on the demo because that's really part of that. But one of these is plug the drain, remove the drain and plug it. Well, we're going to leave that for the plumber. So we exclude that. So we excluded number 4, number 16, and number 21. Number 4, remove all existing wall fixtures. Okay, that's one. Wall fixtures and finishes complete. Okay, that's kind of like remove the lighting fixtures. I don't know what I'm removing, and so they're not even giving me an idea of, is it drywall, is it wallpaper, is it wood paneling? All of those things require a totally different rate as far as man hours. So for me, I'm gonna exclude that, and for you, you should assume it's something. The most expensive thing is wall paneling, okay, and to let the number reflect that. Make sure it's noted. This, it'll be adjusted once you do the walkthrough, okay. But that's excluded. And 16, remove cap or fill existing drain complete for da 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 da. We're not. I excluded that. Okay, that sounds like something a plumber should do. And 21. Removal of electrical panel. Yeah, we're deleting that. Okay, so that area for the electrical is a mystery until we do a walkthrough. Okay, now I want you to remove the ceiling and the grid in this area. Okay, so in this area, because you're removing that wall, the ceiling's gonna go too, and the grid. But in this area, the bigger area, they want you to salvage, remove it, and wrong button. They want this bigger area. They want you to remove it and salvage it and salvage the tiles, and didn't indicate. Well, no, probably not the grid, just the tile. All right, we got that. Let me take that off. And now we have removing the concrete, which is a two-step process. Okay, let's take that off. The first part of that removing the concrete is to cut it. Cut it out first and then remove it. So those are two different costs. And got the ceiling tile. Portion of the pre-engineered wall. And that would be over here. And so I just gave it that full length because it's a portion above the door. And that was about what? 6.3. So you might as well say 7 feet. And you're going to have to verify the height of that. 10 feet, 12 feet, 16 feet. You got to verify that. And what else? Last thing. Oh, remove raised wood floor, which is this right here. And I price that like removing any kind of framing. And you have how many square feet? 100 square feet of that. So now additional cost to I didn't anything related to the floor. Was the ceiling and floor. Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. 4, 6, 5. Okay. Okay. That's why I was like, wait, why isn't the flooring? Okay. No flooring included. Now I remember. Because their flooring contractor is going to remove the flooring and prep it, I guess, or install the new floor. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the Dollar Tree. This is a private video, so any questions on it, make sure you email me directly at education@sfjohnsonconsulting.com, and sure, that's all I can think of. Let me know. Talk to you soon.